it goes back.
That you have to get hurt, no? To get benefits.
Alright, let me just keep filming.
Basically, para que your salvage that you're scrap.
The heck? Let's see, just have locomotives since it's been in there. Let's see the locomotive. Let's see. Who is? Alright, just tell me and then who's this? Who's this? Come on. Let me see. And just a thing, okay. Alright, who's using the locomotive? Just let me see. Oh, okay. Medium Pacific. It's right here. Phantom X is still here. Here it comes. Here we go. Yeah, Phantom X. And I saw Phantom X is have zebra on it. It looks like white, red, and gray. Alright, do be yourself. Alright, on yourself now. I saw green. I already just saw green train. I saw it on the other side. Let me keep filming. Let me keep filming the trains.
Like what party?
The trains. Okay, here goes the L track. Let's see. Yeah? No, like the dirt one. And see you later, air track, train. See you later. I'm sorry, just give me a second. Just give me a break, okay? Tricks. I guess there's no train that is not here. I don't know. Check train still.
It looks nice.
Yeah, no trains. Still not here. Oh, you can't see the tankers. You can't see. No, I don't see you later. See you later.